Hey guys, welcome to another video, and as I mentioned in the previous video, I completed an entire course on Duolingo. I completed the entire course of Swedish on Duolingo. I had 5 stars on all these segments, and the question many people have when they finish a whole course on Duolingo is what level are they? You know, we have these language levels, so you start at 0, then you have A1, A2, B1, B2, C1 and C2, and C2 is like the highest and you're actually fluent, and A1 is the basics from the basics. It's really the elementary profession. So I was wondering the same, and that's why I downloaded this test. I found it on the internet on an open source, and this will tell you what level you are. So we have a test for all kind of questions on level A, we have a test on all kind of questions of level B, and if you manage that, which to be honest, I'm not sure if I will manage that, I probably don't think so, then you can go on to level C. So you know what, I'm just going to make this test here in the video, and we will discuss the results. So to be honest, I think I am level B1 now, so I really hope that the test will say the same. Alright, so let's just start the test and see what we have here. By the way, for any Swedish people that are watching this, if I do the pronunciation wrong, then feel free to comment it, but please forgive me. So we start on filling in some simple stuff like, alright, Kalle arbetar med till I eller på Air France. Kalle arbetar på Air France. Han är gift med Marie. De bor I Paris nu. Imorgon ska de flyga från Paris till Stockholm. It took some time, but I finished part A of this test. I can get 40 points, and we will now see how many points I actually got. So let's see. Oh, yeah. Boom, mistake number 1. So let's see. A mistake in word order. And it's actually pretty dumb because the word order here is exactly the same as in Dutch, but because I'm thinking in English, I use the wrong word order. So that's quite dumb. Yeah, mistake number 1. Okay, so I actually counted my mistakes, and now I can see the points. So it's 9 and 9 is 18, plus 7 is 25. Plus 6 is 31, plus 4 is 35. Alright, so I ended up getting 35 points from the 40 points. So I assume that's quite high, so let's see what the test says. And it says that when I reach 33 points, 33 points or more, which I have because I have 35 points, I can fortsätta med test B, so I can continue on test B. So that's what I'm actually going to do. I'm quite happy with this. So this means I'm actually above level A2. So let's get on to part B of this test. I think this will be quite a bit harder, but we will see. This is actually a bit harder. I really have to think about what I'm filling in now. So let's see. Alright, so that was test B. It was actually way harder than test A, which is quite logical. So I don't expect too much from it, but we are going to check out. So that makes 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's see what this placement says. And it says that if I have 17 points, it should be B1 plus. And 16 points should be B1. So It's along the border from B1 or B1 plus. I've used also a few other sources, so let's just say it's B1. So with only using Duolingo, you could reach up to level B1. So that's quite a good thing, I think. I think that really shows that Duolingo can be really helpful, but as I mentioned in the video before, it's just how you use it. I actually didn't know this myself. It's a very nice way of knowing where you are. So, well, I really recommend you, if you are studying Dutch or another language, then you should really do a test after you've finished a specific course. So yeah, I really want to thank you for watching, and if you like this video, then make sure to actually like the video and subscribe to the channel to support me and don't miss out on anything. And as we always say, tot de volgende keer.